Hi folks, this is Sarah Marshall, your Operations Architect, and I'd like to introduce you to the Operations Architect website. Whether you're a strategy and operations leader, a transformation executive, or a senior decision maker looking to optimize organizational performance, you'll find valuable insights and tools here to guide your journey. This site brings together the distilled learnings from a career spent optimizing organizations, from defining strategic direction to building high performance leadership to engineering scalable capabilities. Across these pages, you'll find frameworks and models designed to simplify complexity and make execution tangible. At the heart of this work is a simple truth: disruption is no longer episodic, it is constant. As organizations become more sophisticated and technologies more powerful, the pace and volatility of change only intensifies. To succeed, organizations must do more than survive disruption. They must be designed to thrive within it. This site is dedicated to helping you do just that. Each section of the site is designed as a self-serve framework, allowing you to engage at your own pace and depth. Start with the high-level overview, explore foundational concepts, or dive deeper through linked articles, decks, and videos. Here's what you'll find. On the Thriving in Disruption page, you'll be introduced to the case for designing your organization to succeed amid constant disruption. It also outlines 3 pillars of the Thriving in Disruption approach: delivering strategic value, growing leadership capacity, and optimizing continuously. Delivering Strategic Value page outlines the essential stages and transitional mechanisms that translate strategy into high-performance execution and owned capabilities. The Growing Leadership Capacity page explores how to lead at every level, from self to team to large complex organizations, through a framework of situational developmental leadership principles. Optimizing Continuously page covers how to embed optimization in daily operations, including performance monitoring, architectural design, and adaptive infrastructure strategies. Finally, the Services page, if you are ready for tailored support, the Services page outlines how we can work together to solve your organization's most pressing performance challenges. Take your time, deep dive or stay high level. Explore what's most relevant for you. And if you have questions or feedback, we are always glad to hear from you. Have a great rest of your day.